Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a torsion spring in Autodesk Inventor by using a 3D sketch. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Go to sketch and select start 3D sketch. Here we will select the helical curve. Go to home view. Here select this midpoint. Select this plane and follow this yellow line. So I'll click on this the blue line and make the arc helical curve. Okay. Now we'll define the dimensions. Here the diameter will be 20, pitch will be of 5 mm and revolution will be 5 count. Okay. This will be a right hand rotation and press OK. Okay. Now we will lock the profile. Go to lock constraint. Select this, select this, select this point. So the profile has been locked in this location. Okay. Now escape, rotate this profile. Okay. So we'll select this edge. In this you can see the orientation. Okay. So this side, this will go down and this will go up. Go to part 4, you can see the same. Go to part 7. Here take the line command, select this point and here select this plane. Select this red line, make one line and select this green line. Now escape, go to dimension. Here define this dimension as 20, define this dimension as 15. Okay. Now similarly, go to line command once again, select this point, this time select this plane, follow the red line, click on the red line. Okay, make one line inside and here make another line. For this side, select this plane, make a blue line and escape. Okay, go to part 4. You can see we have constructed this and this. Go to part 7. Dimension, define this length as 50. Okay, now escape. Now okay, delete this and delete this. First we will define the lines one by one. Go to line, select this point, select this plane, make one line like this. Now select this plane and select this blue line and click here. Escape, go to dimension, define this as 25, define this as 10. Escape. Okay, go to front view, you can see. Okay, now here go to dimension, define the angle here of 120 degree. Okay, go to fix constraint, select this point. Okay, and escape. Now go to the bend command and take a radius of 3 mm. Select this corner, select this corner and here select this corner. Okay, escape. Otherwise this will not pick a sweep command. Okay, finish sketch. Here go to plane, we'll make a new plane. Select this point, select this line, select this new plane, go to create sketch. Here go to project geometry, project this point, go to circle command and on this point make a circle of diameter 4. Finish sketch, take here sweep. This will be the profile to sweep and this will be the path. Okay, you can see and press OK. Okay, now here go to view, visual style, change it to shaded edges. Okay, select this plane, right click, turn off the visibility. Now go to 3D model, take here mirror command, select here mirror body, and go to mirror plane and select this face. Okay, so this will be copied here. Now we will give the appearance. Here we will take the chrome polished, click here. Okay, so this will be the final output. This was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D model of torsion spring in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.